Social media is mad at MrBeast for accepting a $1 million donation from an OF creator, Sophie Rain.
I want to donate $1 million is what I want to donate.
Wait. I think my phone... Did you say $1 million?
Yes, I want to donate $1 million.
MrBeast has a charity going on called Team Water where he's raising $40 million to bring 2 million people around the world clean drinking water for decades. People are mad at MrBeast on Twitter claiming that he has taken dirty money because the money is coming from Sophie Rain, who does that type of, work. Some even saying not all money is good money, he should have turned it down. Last time I checked, are any of you complaining, have you donated $1 million? Are you willing to match her money and donate $1 million? If you're not gonna donate what she's finna donate, then shut up.